Hey guys, this is Theo here, and welcome back to Lesson 10 here on Free Code Camp Responsive Web Design Certification. We're under Applied Visual Design, starting at animating elements at variable rates. So you can go ahead and read about this animation iteration count, and what it's asking us to do is after the animation rate for the element with the class name of star1, okay, change its keyframes rule to 50%. Okay, so we'll look at this. It's using Twinkle 1, and we'll say 50%. We can sort of see it does animate later, right? It's going at a different rate now. Let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. All right, so animate multiple elements at variable rates. So set the animation duration of the elements class star1, star2, and star3 to 1, 0.9 seconds, and 1.1 respectively. So here we go. We're going to change this to well, this is already 1 second, 0.9 seconds, 0.9 seconds, and finally we want to do 1.1 seconds. So they're all sort of twinkling in and out at different speeds. Okay, good to go. Number 3, change animation timing with keywords. So you can go ahead and read about what the timing function does, different ways, ease out, ease in, for different, again, speeds. So for the elements with ball 1 and ID of ball 1 and ball 2, we're going to add an animation timing function. We're going to say linear, all right? We want it to basically go, I'll just put a border around it right here. We'll just see which one it is. So we can sort of see it's going at the same rate the whole time. Cool. Let's go ahead and clean that up. And then ball 2, we want to set that to ease out. So say ease out. And now we can sort of see that it does ease out, which is quick in the beginning and then slows down. We can sort of see it's slowing down. Cool. All right, let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. Number 4, learn how Bezier curves work. Okay, so this is one I haven't used a lot, but it consists of 4 main points that sit on this 1x1 grid. P0, P1, P2, and P3. P0 and P3 are set for you. They are the beginning and end points. You set the X and Y values for the other 2 points, and where you place them in the grid dictates the shape of the curve for the animation to follow. Okay, so again, you can read about all this, but for this exercise, for the element with the ID of ball 1, change the value of animation timing function property from linear to its equivalent cubic Bezier function. Sorry, can't spell, Bezier. And we want to do 0.25, 0.25, 0.75, and 0.75. So again, you can read about this, is where it's going to start X, where it's going to start Y, and we can sort of see it changing what's going to happen there, right? And see what happens when we adjust these values. So sort of see it fell a little bit faster there. Now it's going like super fast. That's pretty cool. All right, so let me just change this back. 0.25, 0.25, 0.75, and 0.75. Let's go ahead and run that. All right, good to go. Number 5, move the graphic down. Okay, to see the effect of this Bezier curve in action, use the animation timing function of the element with the ID of red to cubic Bezier. So basically, we're just going to use this one right here. We're going to grab this, and we can sort of see that, again, it's doing the same thing, but we're just starting from a different point. Again, these are the x-axes right here, and these are the y. So basically having it go from this, right? So it starts all the way at 0 and then it goes to 1. You know, we can have it go 0 to 0.5. So it's just depending on what you want. 0 to 0.1, right? it's not gonna do much. Cool. So let me just back that up. 0.58 and 1. Let's go ahead and run that. Again, this one I'm not super familiar with, so if you want to look more into it, you could. I personally haven't had the need to use it. But, alright guys, so I think that's it. We got one more lesson here. And let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, let me see. 2, 5. Yeah, I think we just, that's weird. Okay. So we'll come back and we'll do one more video. It's just going to be on these ones, short video. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. As always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check out the description for videos to learn React, JavaScript if you're interested. I do get a cut. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.